Furthermore, we have some whiskies over here, and this is also 3D printed. Like, this thing is 3D printed. This is not real. This is fake, a 3D printed thing. And there is a bourbon bottle over here. It took 12 hours to make it. Crazy. This is 3D printed copy, and this is the real thing, and this is another 3D printed copy of it. But in any case, those are awesome looking things. And here is olive oil bottle from Stratasys as well. And there are more cool stuff. Polyjet inspiration kit over here. Jesus. What? And there are more stuff over here. Oh my god, this is crazy. This turns. Look at that illusion. And more stuff.